Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. This is the series of tenses and I have uploaded many videos on tenses. Kindly watch them out. If you have any queries regarding with any tense, feel free to ask by writing your queries in the comment box. If you are viewing my video for the first time, I would suggest you to watch my other videos too. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Today we are going to learn the future continuous tense. First of all, we will see the definition of tense. The verb form that indicates the time of an event, an action or state is called tense. We use this tense to talk about actions which will be in progress at a specific point in the future. It is also called the future progressive tense. Let's see the sentence formations. First, positive. Subject will come in the beginning. After that, you have to put will, then be, because this is future continuous tense. That's why we have to add be plus V1 form with ing. For example, I will be preparing food tomorrow. So here subject, that is I, will be, that is given. This is called auxiliary forms. Then V1 with ing, that is prepare plus ing, preparing, food, that is an object, tomorrow adverb. Let's see negative formation. Subject plus will, then not, be, V1 with ing. For example, I will not be preparing food tomorrow. I, that is the subject, will, that is auxiliary verb, or you can say helping verb or modal. Not is given because we are framing negative sentence. Then be, then preparing, V1 with ing, food, that is an object, and tomorrow an adverb. Interrogative formation. Will, then subject, then be, then V1 with ing, then put question mark. So here auxiliary form will come in the beginning, will, then subject, that is you, be will come, then preparing, V1 plus ing, food, that is an object, and tomorrow, that is an adverb, then put question mark. Here in the future continuous tense, sentence formation will be the same, but here in the beginning, if you want to put first person singular plural, second person singular plural, or third person, accordingly you have to change here. Let's see some more examples. They will be sleeping by the time we arrive. So this is the example of future continuous tense, the action which will be going on in the future. So will be sleeping. This time tomorrow I will be sitting on the beach in Singapore. We will be staying here till Sunday. He will be meeting us next week. So will be meeting, that shows future continuous tense, and next week, that is an adverb. She will be studying at the library tonight. Will be studying. It will be drinking milk tomorrow. Will be drinking, and tomorrow. Tomorrow, that is an adverb. You will be arriving next month. Here will be arriving predicate, or you can say verb. Next month, that is an adverb. Let's see usages with examples. First usage, to describe interrupted actions in the future. For example, when you come tomorrow, they will be playing chess. So here it describes interrupted action which will be in future, in progress. To express actions in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, at 2 o'clock tomorrow, we will be having lunch at home. Third usage, to refer to actions that are happening now and expected to continue in the future. For example, unfortunately, sea levels will still be rising in 20 years. So, this rising of sea level that are happening now and expected to continue in the future. To ask question politely about the future. For example, will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? To emphasize future plans and intentions. For example, they will be coming to visit us next month. So, this is future plan. To describe atmosphere in the future. For example, when I arrive at the party, everybody will be dancing. Last usage, to express parallel actions in the future. For example, he will be watching TV and she will be cooking lunch. So, these two actions will happen parallel. That's why here future continuous tense is used in both actions. Hope you learned a lot from this video. I'll be back with more videos soon. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.